Hello, my people. Hey, guys, did you know what happened? The good news that just came out. Hey, stay tuned. And this news, share am. Let it go so many places. Let it go everywhere. Let it go far. Let it go far away. This news. Share this video for me. Share it to papa, mama, sister, brother, children, everywhere. Share it to everywhere. Because many people is going to benefit from this good news, amazing news. Hey, me, I'm happy already. I'm so happy. I'm even packing my bag now. I'm packing it. Hey. Hello, my amazing people. Good evening, my people. My amazing people, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Big Boss. It's in the building. Oh, my people, what will I do without you all? Thank you so much for the subscribe, for the love. Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you all. I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Don't have you subscribe. What are you guys waiting for? Subscribe, come to the channel. That notification bell. Don't forget to press it. If you dey press that red, press and join am. So that anytime I bring this kind of good news, you will get it quickly. You will be the first to watch it. Don't left out. Don't be left out. Grab it. This is good opportunity. Good. This is good news I'm bringing to you guys. I have paper in my hand because I don't want to make mistake. Good news that just happened. The law is going to start on Monday. Good news. This city, let's get started, guys. Let me be serious. This city in Italy, one city in Italy, that city called Molise. If I don't pronounce it well, my Italy people, you guys know what I mean. Molise, if I don't pronounce it well, please write it well in my comment section. Okay? Molise in Italy. One city in Italy, they are looking for people. They are looking for people that will stay in the village. They will be paying some of 700 euro in a month, every month, monthly 700 euro. That part, how bad? So interesting. Oh, hey, should I begin to pack my bag and luggages? Hey guys, what did you think? Can I pack it? Hey, 700 euro. Anybody that register, at least now me, I go register my children. All of us, 7 people. You don't know how much with that 700 euro calculator. I want big go. Yeah, my God. Okay, guys, let me continue. Let me not distract your attention. You see, guys, 700 euro in a month, per a month. This program will last for 3 years. And before 3 years, you will get something now. You have get something. You have get something. You already gain what you want. At least anybody someone help for 3 years. Then try now. You understand what I mean? Then try 3 years. It's not 3 days. It's not 3 months. 3 years. 3 good years, guys. 3 good years, guys. You understand me? Then try. For me, I believe that they will still do more than that. They will do more than that. And many opportunity is there. And we last for 3 years. I mentioned the village again. Molise in Italy. And the application will start on the 16th of September, which is on Monday. On the 16th of September, which is on Monday, the application will start. The application will start on the 16th of this month, 16th of this month. Then we close the registration. The registration will end within 60 days. That is 2 months. 2 months. Within 2 months, the registration will end. Please, guys, hurry up. My brother, my sister, mama, papa, auntie, uncle, please hurry up if you need this. If you need it, tomorrow don't be say, hey, I died. No. Okay? Please try and grab this opportunity. And the reason is that their population is too low. It's too low. Their population is too low. The population is reducing every day. It's reducing, and they want people. They want people. That's why they just want to. They want people, and they also. That's why they put offer. They place that money, so that anybody that come to that village will not feel bad. Will not feel lonely. Actually, we have money to live. You understand? We have money. At least anybody that come to some village, they will receiving 700 euro in a month. At least it reach to manage. Yeah, 700. It reach to manage. Maybe if you still have pikin, at least you register your name, register pikin. And they are paying you, and so they also pay your pikin. You understand? You understand? Because they want people to come to fill up the population, so that the village will continue to exist. The village will continue to exist because most villages have less than 2,000 population. Even the president promised to do more for the people. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! The president promised to do more for the people, guys. Hey! Oh my God! Oh my God! Just can you imagine, guys? Hey, the president promised to do more wonder. Hey, guys, hey, this opportunity, don't miss it. Oh, hey, I feel like packing my load. Oh, I feel like packing it, guys. Okay, guys, please, my brother, my sister, inform those that need. That's why I say share this video so that this video will go far. It will go far. It will go far all over the world. This video will go far. People will see what is going on right now. People will see what is going on right now, my people. Hey, I'm so happy for this good news. You know, guys, something like this happened early this year. Early this year. Something like this happened early this year. In this city they call what is the name of this city again? Lacona. This city they call Lacona. Early this year, they pay sum of 10,000 euro to each family who live in that village. 10,000 euro to each family that live in that village. You know, many people, they will see this kind of thing. They will not say it out. Me, I'm not that kind of person that see this kind of good news. I will not tell my people. Never. Oh, no, no. So this my mouth, not they close. They talk anything when I see. Oh, God. God has blessed me with that. That is the gift God has given to me. I always say what I see. Because I don't want to eat alone. You know, they talk, oh, eat alone, die alone. You know, no, this life, anything you have, share with others. So that they can still benefit from there. They can still benefit from them, my people. Oh, God. 10,000 euros is not a small money. That is a lot of money. A lot of money, my people. Please. Please, 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 please. Inform your brothers and sisters. Don't let them this is say village. You know, no Europe now. Village for Europe, no better than village for Africa. It better pass so. Africa, people will build that. They will only do that area where they build that house. Until people can't join them. They see they live there. They don't even say, if they're lonely. As far as say it's their house, they don't pay house rent. As far as say they get land to build that place, then we go and live there alone until people come and join them. Don't think, say now, even that village, police is everywhere. You understand me, guys? Police full everywhere. Try to grab this good news, this good opportunity. Hey, I'm so happy for you guys. So I'm happy because this miracle, they come once in a while, not they happen every day. No, you know, guys, say the other thing will come with it. You understand? Then we give it out just like that. You understand? Because they are the one who call you guys. They call. You don't go there with your level. No, they will also respect you, even though they don't respect. At least stay your own, mind your business anywhere we go. So I'm talking this thing now. I'm going straight now to my Nigeria people. My Nigeria people know say anywhere we go, we have to say we be Naija, like we dey here. No, please, my people, don't go there and spoil there. Don't go there and block other people way. No, don't go there and block other people way. I beg you now, with the name of God. What you enjoy, let other people enjoy with you. What you eat, let other people eat am with you. Okay, where you sleep, let other people sleep am with you. Don't just go and take a low and spoil the remaining thing. Because we Nigerians, anywhere we go, that place don spoil. Abeg, una no go and spoil this place. Don't go and, e get one village that close to me here the other day. Anybody that born, they give paper. Anybody that come to seek asylum, they give paper. But now, my Nigeria people, they spoil am, and they don't do it again. They don't. Why? I don't know why road where we pass. Why we don't allow other people to pass am? If other people, the other people, the same our Nigeria people, maybe they allow road where we pass. Maybe they follow am till the end. I beg you now. Mona no go there now and spoil am. That's why when some people see you, they don't dey like talk and come out, because they go they do am guru. Because why? Because they know say if you now come, that thing don't go, don't spoil. Now it be that. I beg you, Mona let the thing spoil again. Mona let am, because they need so many people. So many people, because this suffer, we they suffer, you know, so that this suffer will still reduce. Some people to eat a day, they hard there. Actually, they have a chance to enter this kind of place. Then they receive 700 a month. It's a big thing. It's a big thing, I beg. The name of this village, Molisa in Italy. The registration, it will start on the 16th, which is on Monday next week. On the 16th, and it will end. It will end in 60 days. Before 2 months, the registration will end. Please. And the thing will last for 3 years. At least, person when they can't still help for 3 years, then try and be, then try. And I believe that they go still help more than that. It will not go last for that 3 years. I beg you now. May we do it the right way. Let's do it the right way, my basic people. My beautiful people, subscribe to my channel here and see more news so that I will be updating you of this news, because I don't want to carry any news that is not exist. I take what I carry, what is exist. Subscribe to this channel so that you will see more of big boys in the building. So that you will see more of big boys, guys. Okay, guys. Okay, let me leave you guys now. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all, my people. Thank you all, my people. Thank you all. Let me say goodbye now. Goodbye. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a good comment, share, like, and leave a good comment. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Bye. How did I look today? My makeup, did you see it? Oh, Colette is coming. Bye. My people. Bye-bye.